Inside the Bowling Green assembly plant, something special is happening. Chevrolet builds the most powerful production Corvette ever, and the numbers alone explain why this moment matters. With 1,064 horsepower, the new Corvette ZR1 is not just another trim level. It is a statement about what American performance still looks like when engineers are allowed to push the limits. Every ZR1 starts life on the same line as other Corvettes, but that is where the similarities end. The heart of this car is a hand-assembled 5.5-liter twin turbo V8, carefully built by skilled technicians who sign their names to each engine. That process alone adds a personal connection between the people building the car and the drivers who will eventually experience it. This is not mass production in the usual sense. It is craftsmanship mixed with modern engineering. What makes the Bowling Green built ZR1 even more impressive is how balanced the package is. Yes, 1,064 horsepower grabs headlines, but the chassis, aerodynamics, and cooling systems were all redesigned to support that output. This Corvette is engineered to survive sustained high-speed driving, not just quick acceleration runs. Chevrolet is targeting a top speed north of 230 miles per hour, placing the ZR1 firmly in hypercar territory. Walking through the plant, you can see how much attention goes into each step. From the carbon fiber components to the final inspections, every ZR1 receives extra scrutiny. That matters to buyers who want more than raw numbers. They want confidence that their car was built with intention, not rushed out the door. For Corvette fans, seeing the ZR1 return to Bowling Green feels right. This factory has produced legends for decades, and now it is responsible for the most extreme Corvette ever sold to the public. The ZR1 is not chasing trends or electrification headlines. It is focused on delivering maximum performance with a clear purpose, and that focus is exactly what makes it special.